Now, Green Credit Rules 2023 has been updated in 2025. So first, let's try to understand what are green credits, what were the earlier rules, and now what is the updation. So overall, first thing what we see is the green credit rules. Okay, these were launched in 2023 under EPA 1986. That would be the first point to remember. Now, apart from that, overall, when we see what do we mean by green credit? So green credit, you can think of it comparing it to carbon credits. As carbon credits, we know in carbon credits what happened. When you save 1 ton of carbon equivalent emission, you earn 1 carbon credit. So there is the saving of carbon emissions. Here, the concept is same. The only thing now is it is not just limited to carbon, okay, but rather to other environmental services also. So anything related to ecosystem services, anything which is related to health of the ecosystem, you do any of those environmental services activities and you earn a green credit. Now, under the earlier rules, pretty much like carbon credits can be traded in the market. Carbon credit is a market-based instrument. Okay, similar to that, green credit also was a market-based instrument. It was similar under the earlier rules. Now, overall, when we see what precisely are the activities, we need not to memorize all the activities, just to give you an idea. We are saying, okay, this is afforestation, correct? So first is plantation, let's say, plantation. Along with that, you have water conservation, sustainable agriculture, waste management, air pollution, mangrove restoration, eco-mark certification, sustainable infrastructure. Any of these are environment-friendly activities. And that's where along these activities, if you do something, if you do some activity, you can earn green credits. Now, with respect to these green credits, the whole idea is how it was awarded was where, let's say, for example, afforestation. It has majorly focused on afforestation, plantation. So when you undertake plantation, the idea is green credit only would be unlocked if you gain 40% of the canopy cover or after 5 years, okay, if the trees are still alive. So basically, the green credits, these two has to happen, and then only green credit can be earned, which means green credit you cannot earn instantaneously. You plant today, after 5 years, you can earn the green credits from it. And green credit, one tree, one surviving tree is equivalent to 1 green credit. Like carbon credit, 1 ton carbon dioxide emission saved. Similarly, over here, one surviving tree is equal to 1 green credit. That's the basic rule how you do it. So over here in this case, the new rules, when we talk about what are the new rules, the new rules, the updated rules which are there of 2025. Now what it has done is the green credit, which earlier major idea was market device, it was market instrument, it was. Now it is not so, because it is being misused now. So instead of it being a market-based instrument, it only now remains a compliance-based instrument. What's the difference? If you earn it, take for example, carbon credits, when you say, two types of usage we know. The first type of usage is where you can trade it in the international market. Then it becomes market-based instrument. Or what we said, you can use it to offset your targets, whatever targets are given, carbon emission targets are given. This is compliance instrument, where you are not trading it. You are using it for the compliance. So there can be two usage. Now earlier, green credit also had two usage. Okay. First is trading, second compliance. What compliance? Industries can use it for their offsetting their CSR compliance, or other environmental compliances which are there, environment, social and governance, ESG compliances are there. So any of these compliances, they can use it for. Now what the new rules have told is, now it does not remain a market-based instrument. Green credits can only be used for compliances. So that is one change. Along with that, because now it is not tradable, it is not even transferable. So you cannot transfer it also. So the only condition now where the green credits can be transferred is between a parent company and subsidiary company. That's the only transfer that is allowed. Otherwise, no other transfer is allowed. Got it? So this is the new update which is there with respect to the green credit rules. 2025 over the rules of 2023. That's the idea of green credit rules.